easy and fun. Do-it-yourself gift wrapping ideas. Join the sunny holidays with Maaji and let's share magical times. For easy, sustainable, and handmade gift wrapping, just grab newspapers, paint, leaves, pieces of fabric, and your creativity on the go. First, protect your workspace with newspapers. Second, choose a neutral color for the base of your gift. Like white, it doesn't need to be perfectly painted. For the first paper style, make vertical and horizontal stripes with your preferred color. We use gold paint. For the second style, make small brush strokes diagonally. And let the paper dry while organizing the rest of your supplies. Now, look for labels for your purchases and paint them. These will be our cards. Finally, have fun decorating and packing. Use pieces of fabrics, small leaves, and cute details to make each gift special. Join and enjoy the sunny state of mind. Happy holidays! If you like this video, share and subscribe. Visit www.maaji.co and follow us on Instagram @Maaji.